Today, July 1st, marks the second anniversary of Hurricane Beryl. Who can forget the devastation, the horror that hurricane caused in our country? And the southern Grenadines, of course, felt the brunt of it. Homes, lives, livelihoods, property destroyed. And we are continuing the process of recovery. Very soon, my government will roll out the Recovery and Resilience Project, which is intended to help us to prepare better for any storms during this hurricane season and going forward, and also to aid in the process of recovery. You will hear more about it very soon. We can all do our part to ensure that we are prepared as best we can during this hurricane season. The government, we will do our part. And we ask you also to do yours to ensure that we are as prepared as we can be. Heaven forbid that we are ever struck again by a hurricane. God bless.